Hello guys, welcome back to Austine Tech Show. I know it has been long since we met, but thank God, thank the Almighty I'm back. Now today's video is about dealing with mean, median and mode. It is under the category of maths. Now according to what you just see on your screen, it is a question and a calculator. I am going to teach you a method in which you are going to use only the calculator to find the mean, median and mode. You don't require even a pen. The pen here in this question are useless. Now, game on. Now what you just do, follow the steps as I show you. Now the first step. With your calculator, you see the mode button. With your cursor fixed to a mesh calculator, there is the mode button. Place it once. You will see comp SD reg. See, after that, place this button number 2. Have you placed it? Yes. Now after placing it, the button number 2, the screen will clear itself. After that, you go to your question, your table. You count the number of rows on your table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, there are 10. Then you go back to your calculator. You place number 1. Then you place this button M plus 10 times because the rows are 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Have you seen? After that, you have counted them to be 10. After that, you now place on. Then we go to the second procedure. The second procedure, you go to this replay button, then you place at the top. See, it will show you frequency 10. Now scroll down to frequency. The X means the midpoint, while the frequency is just a frequency. You go back to on your table where they have written x1 is midpoint 1. Here is midpoint 1 in our question. You just key in 12.5. Then you press is equal. After that, you press again replay. It will tell you frequency 1. You go to frequency 1. It is, in this case is 3. Right? Place you key in 3. Then you place again replay the midpoint 2, 18.5. Go to frequency 2. Frequency 2 is 2. After placing that one, frequency 2 is 2. Midpoint 3 is 24.5. Then frequency 3 is 1. Midpoint 4 is 30.5. Frequency 4 is 5. Midpoint 5 is 36.5. Frequency 5 is 6. Midpoint 6 is 42.5. Frequency 6 is 2. Midpoint 7 is 48.5. The frequency is 5. Then you continue until you reach the last value. Midpoint 10 is 66.5. Then the last frequency is 3. After that, Your values are already in the calculator. They are safe. You can even power off the calculator, then continue your sum the time you are free. They are safe. They are safe. Now, after that, what you just do, now if you want the total frequency, what you just do, place the shift, then you place the sum here. You will see number 2. See, this is the total frequency. Now this is what I mean. I mean that if you want to find the total frequency, what you just do, you place shift, then you place the summation here button, then you place button number 3. See, which means the total number of this frequency, the frequency on the table. This total frequency is 36. You can even add the midpoint. This total number of midpoint, if you want to find them, you can also place this summation, then you go to number 2. You found that the total value of this midpoint are 1524. Now you are done with that. If you want to find mean straight without going any other procedure, you just place shift, then this button number 2, then you place number 1. This is the mean. Here is the mean. If you want to find a quantity divide, what you just do is you place shift, place number 2, then you place again number 2. You see, you find the quantity divide. You can use that formula in exam. It is suitable. Thank you for watching. I was your host, Austine Tech.